Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview API for integration with other services. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this one at all. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now, the first step is going to be to access the API documentation. And you can access the API documentation by clicking on the API button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 will be to learn about the API's endpoints and parameters. So go ahead and learn about the API's endpoints and parameters for integration with other services. Step 3 will be to use the API to integrate with other services. So you can use the API to integrate with other services, including brokerage accounts, trading platforms, and many more. The fourth and final step will be to go ahead and use the integrated services for streamlined trading and analysis. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview API for integration with other services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.